a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave your suggestion and comment in the comment section below. You can also hit the subscribe button to get this type of recipe.